Alright, so today we're working on our work truck. There's this big dent in the bumper. We got that. That's how we bought it. And so we got a new bumper right down here on the floor. Got it for a really good deal online. It's a used bumper. So we're gonna start to replace it. So from looking at this other bumper, you can see there's one bolt there, a bolt there, and a bolt there. There's also two bolts, one there and one over there under the license plate that are for the trailer hitch. So we got 21mm socket. We're gonna get to it. So, got the new bumper on and hooked up all the connectors, hooked up that light, the wiring, got a spare tire winch access hooked up, and the pipe in the back, and the other light, and it's starting to take shape. So, all done the project now, got all the bolts in. Some of them were a bit harder. I made sure to put oil on all of them so it helped them go in a bit better. But it's looking way better than the old one, especially right at this corner because the other one was really beat up. So that's gonna do it for this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like button,